Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. In today's episode, we delve into the financial turbulence as AMD's Q3 earnings report leads to a stock decline, while Pfizer shares also dip post-results. Visa makes headlines with a 13% dividend increase to 59 cents and plans for approximately 1,400 job cuts despite beating non-GAAP EPS expectations, with $2.71 and surpassing revenue forecasts at $9.62 billion. First Solar faces challenges as its GAAP EPS of $2.91 misses by 25 cents and revenue falls short by $192.33 million at $887.67 million, while SoFi experiences a surprising 9% drop after an initial rise, leaving Mizuho analysts puzzled over bearish sentiments. Meanwhile, OpenAI partners with Broadcom to develop AI chips in a strategic move reported recently, and gold futures reach new record highs amid predictions of surging U.S. debt linked to the Trump trade. Stay tuned after this short ad break for an in-depth analysis of these stories and more insights from our experts. Advanced Micro Devices shares fell 7% after announcing third-quarter earnings of 92 cents per share on $6.82 billion in revenue, boosted by a 122% increase in data center sales. However, gaming and embedded segments saw significant declines. Fourth-quarter revenue is projected to be between $7.2 billion and $7.8 billion, slightly below expectations.
Visa has announced a 13.5% increase in its quarterly dividend, now at 59 cents per share, with a forward yield of 0.84%. The dividend is payable on December 2nd to shareholders recorded by November 12th. Additionally, Visa plans to cut approximately 1,400 jobs.
Pfizer shares might experience pressure even with strong third-quarter results, mainly due to COVID products Paxlovid and Comirnaty. Without these, growth was just 14%, causing worries about other products like Xeljanz and Ibrance. Analysts believe stronger new launches are necessary for significant stock improvement. CEO Albert Bourla rejected activist investor Starboard Value's demands for change.
First Solar's third-quarter earnings per share were $2.91, missing estimates by 25 cents. Revenue was $887.67 million, falling short by $192.33 million. Shares dropped 1.86%. The company updated its 2024 guidance with lower sales and capital expenditure expectations, despite a strong sales backlog of 73.3 gigawatts.
Visa plans to cut about 1,400 jobs by the end of the year to streamline operations. Around 1,000 of these cuts will impact technology roles, with others in merchant sales and global digital partnerships. Following this news, Visa's stock fell by 0.6%. The company aims to enhance client service and support growth.
SoFi Technologies shares dropped 9.3% even after reporting strong third-quarter results and increasing their full-year guidance. This decline came after a previous 7% rise. Mizuho reassured investors by emphasizing SoFi's growing lending capabilities and strong capital ratio, expected to surpass 16%, which is well above regulatory requirements. CEO Anthony Noto anticipates moderate growth in the balance sheet.
Visa reported strong fourth-quarter results. Non-GAAP earnings per share were $2.71, surpassing expectations by 13 cents. Revenue rose to $9.62 billion, up 11.7% year-over-year, driven by increases in payments volume and cross-border transactions. Total processed transactions reached 61.5 billion, a 10% rise from last year. Shares increased by 1.46%.
OpenAI, supported by Microsoft, is moving from creating a global foundry network to designing its own chips with Broadcom and Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company. These chips will target artificial intelligence inference needs. At the same time, OpenAI keeps using NVIDIA and Advanced Micro Devices chips as demand for NVIDIA's GPUs increases.
Gold futures reached a record high due to U.S. election uncertainty, geopolitical tensions, and anticipated interest rate cuts. Investors are waiting for key economic data as markets foresee a 98% likelihood of a Federal Reserve rate cut on November 7th. Gold closed at $2,768.40 per ounce, silver at $34.26.9 per ounce. Thank you for tuning into the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay ahead. Join us next time for more insights and updates. Goodbye. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until tomorrow, stay safe and farewell for now. This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.